guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, sat sri akal, wanakam, and a very warm welcome to everybody. This is Mubin and you're watching SMS Technical. I would like to thank all my viewers and all my subscribers for all the love that you have shown, and because of your love I am here with one more product and with one more video. So in this video we are going to unbox one more device, that is a 5G phone, and that is the Redmi 10T 5G, and we are going to unbox it and we have to compare it with the Redmi Note 8 Pro, Note 9 Pro. We have to check the speed, the Antutu score, and we have to check the camera quality as well. So stay tuned till the end of the video. Show your love, give a thumbs up, give a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends if you find my videos likable. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, we are here with this box and we are going to check the box contents, the box details, the hardware specifications and the software specifications of our device. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the box that says India's #1 smartphone brand, and it says made in India. Right, that's made in India. So as you can see on the box, we have this Redmi Note 10T 5G. It is a 5G ready high performance 7nm processor. It means that it will consume less power and it will give you more battery backup. And it has 90Hz full HD plus adaptive sync display, and it will automatically adapt according to the page that you are viewing, and the refresh rate will be according to the requirement. So it will give you an optimum refresh rate. So yeah, so on the flip side you can see in Note 10T 5G some details. As you can see, MediaTek Dimensity 700, that is the processor it has, and it has the triple AI camera, and you might have seen that we have shown you the video quality as well as the photo quality of this device. Here we have 8MP AI, that is artificial intelligence self camera, UFS 2.2 storage, that it will give you a really good and fast write speed, and it has side mounted fingerprint scanner and high resolution audio certification. So as I mentioned earlier, the audio and the video of this video was recorded on this device. So yeah, so let's get inside the box and we'll check the details and the contents of this box. So here it is. So we'll see one more small pouch, and in this pouch you'll be able to see that we have the SIM ejector tool. Yeah, and inside that we have some leaflets, and then we have the silicone case. It is a transparent silicone case, a pretty sturdy and a good one. And then we have the device itself. So this is our mint green Redmi Note 10T 5G ready phone, and the most important part is the charger. So we have this charging adapter. As you can see, it mentions that this is a 22-watt fast charging adapter, but the point here to be noted is that the device, that is the Note 10T, only supports 18 watts fast charge. I'll just show you that. Now check this. This is the cable. This is the USB Type-C cable. Okay, so USB Type-C cable, the adapter, that is the 22-watt charge. But on the box, if you can see, it says the 18-watt fast charge, that is what the device supports. Okay, so now we'll just go ahead and boot up this device. So by the time it boots up, we'll just check the specification or the hardware details. See, on the right side we have the fingerprint scanner that doubles as the power button, the volume rocker up and down. The bottom part we have the speaker grill and the charging port and the secondary microphone. The left side we have the SIM ejector tool, and on the top of it we have 3.5mm jack, and we have the IR blaster and the secondary microphone. And here on the rear side we have the triple camera setup, that is the 48MP highest camera, and we have a flash as well included. So the phone is getting booted up and it has the MIUI running on it. Okay, so the device is booted up. So as you can see, it has a really crisp and clear display here, and we'll go and check the details, that is the software specifications. As I told you, this has MIUI, and it is MIUI version 13, that is a globally stable version. And as you can see, it is 128 and 6 GB variant. 128 GB is the ROM, 6 GB is the RAM. And we'll go to all specs, and as you can see, this is the 6 GB RAM and plus 2, that says that it can be extended as 2 GB using your internal memory, that is the ROM. So that's it about this phone. So this is how the camera looks here. As you can see, this is the normal photo that you can check, and then we have this pinch to zoom. And as you can check, it has 10x zoom that it supports. And then we have this more option where you can check and see that it has 48 megapixel, the primary, the main camera on it. And when we go back, we can also check it has a portrait mode. So these are all the features here, you can just check it out. And this seems to be a really nice phone, and you can go and grab one, and the link for this phone will be in the description box. So please like my video, share it with the friends, and stay safe. See you all in the next video.